How to change Facebook email address. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Move into your menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Head over to the gear icon at the very top right. Move into See More in Account Center. In this page, inside Account Settings, head over to Personal Details. And then move into Contact Information. All of the contact information will be available to you in this page. If you want to remove any one of it, then simply move into it, and then click on Delete Email. Once again, click on Delete. Once it has been deleted, if you want to change and add another one, then simply click on Add New Contact. In this section, enter the new email address that you want to add. After that, click on Next. You'll receive one verification code on your email address. Copy that code and enter it in the section that you're asked to. After that, the email address will be changed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.